Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a large Amazon haul for you guys. This is a haul of like random products, but are things that I really needed. And with the quarantine, the lockdown, I'm really trying to avoid stores. So pretty much if something is not essential like food, try not to go out and buy it. So I decided to order a lot of things maybe at one time, because I also had Amazon Prime for $1.99 for the week. So I pretty much ordered all the products at one time, so I didn't have to sign up for an official Amazon Prime. I had Amazon Prime, I had to cancel it because I didn't see the need for it. So pretty much I took advantage of the 1 week of Amazon Prime for $1.99. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff and I want to share with you guys. I'm gonna try to do this fast because my battery is low, so I don't want to be cut off in a weird area and have to redo the video or edit and all that stuff. Yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing that I got from, well, among other things, was a sweatsuit thing. So pretty much this is it right here. So this is what you put on your body, pretty much to help you sweat more as you're doing your workouts. I had a one just for the belly, and I don't know why, it's out of shape, like pretty much. I had to get rid of it. So I needed something that I can put on when I'm in the house or when I'm doing my little workouts to help me with the, to burn more belly fat and kind of tone that area. You know, the baby pooch. So yeah, I got that just for that reason. So it just helps you sweat more, and you can even add avocado cream to your stomach and then put it on and you're gonna sweat like crazy. So really that's one of the reasons I got that one. The next thing that I got is this Bubba Cup. I heard a lot of people talking about it. Pretty much the main thing is this: your drinks stay hot for a really long time and cold for a long time as well. And it doesn't show ice sweat. So pretty much like when you have ice in here, you're not gonna have the whole cup filled with all that stuff that always comes out, like the water outside of it, so it makes your hands kind of cold. So that's really the main thing about this cup, and for $7, I mean, I think that was pretty good. So pretty much it keeps everything hot or cold, and it keeps it looking nice and sleek. And this is what I try to drink daily to get my water intake in. So pretty much, yeah, this is it right here. The only thing I don't like about the cup is that this area is really big, so sometimes I knock it over and my toddler knocks it over and there's water everywhere. So I have to try to keep it somewhere where I can't reach it. But other than that, it's a really great cup and a great reason to drink water. Anything with a straw, I'll drink. Okay, the next thing is a globe. This is a funny story, but I watched a show a couple years ago and they asked this one lady, I think they were asking questions about different places in the world. They asked somebody, I don't know where Africa was or whatever. Like, I think they asked them to name something or something in the country, and they gave like a really stupid question, and I felt so embarrassed because she thought that Africa was actually a country. And so it just made me like just say to myself, I'm gonna put time to learn where different parts of the world are, just out of curiosity. And I also want to do this with my son later on, where we could just like play little games to name different places in the world, continents and stuff like that. And then he kind of learns colors as well. I've been really trying to teach him a few things while we're during this lockdown. So one of the things, for example, is just color, shapes, learning to hold a scissor. I actually went online and looked at the requirements for pre-K. So I'm trying to teach him all that stuff while we're here stuck. So it's been really fun. So later on, I want to teach him kind of like a globe, show him the globe and tell him where parts of the world are, and do like little games here and there, so that later on, he might be like, hey, I know so many different parts of the world and stuff like that. Because I remember one time they said like, if they say like a random country, like I think they say like Tunisia, and I was like, what the hell is Tunisia? I know this place. And then I was like, oh man, if I had looked at the globe, I would have known where it was. So just for fun. Okay, the next thing are these wireless earphones. Oh my God, is my screen dirty? Yeah, wireless earbuds are the thing right now. Pretty much they're in this little case. You charge them, you plug it here to charge, and then once you charge them, you're done. You just pack this little thing, pop them in your ear when you need it. So you just take one like that and just pop them in, and you are really ready to go, because they're automatically paired with your phone through Bluetooth. So this is just a way to get rid of cords. Cords are like really annoying, and I used to break them often. So this has been a real lifesaver as far as having music with me. This was like 16 bucks. I have another one that was like 24, so I have a few of them. And later on I'll get AirPods because they're really nice. My hubby has them and they're really, really nice. But right now this will do. Okay, let's get to the next thing. I have quite a few things here. The next thing is this guy. It's pretty much for him to learn colors, to learn counting, and to learn the alphabet. So I've been really working on that and he's doing really good. The alphabet not so much, but as far as counting and colors, he's doing so awesome because I've really put that effort to teach him. So he's doing so much better. Unlike before when I was working and I wasn't home, I just noticed like he didn't really know a lot of stuff and he wasn't even talking that much. So this past year I've been home, and with the quarantine I've just really been taking that time to teach him the different things that he needs to know before pre-K. All right, the next thing is on this keychain. Can you guess what it is? But anyway, this is a collapsible straw in here. Have you guys been to the movie theater and they give you those paper straws and then they kind of get like crumbled and they start kind of, you know, like, I just hate it. I hate that feeling when they get wet and they're not sturdy anymore. You have to go get another one. I was like, okay, this is a great idea. I saw another YouTuber with it, and pretty much the straw is in here. You open it up right here. There's a little cleaner, and you pretty much open it and expand it, and you got a straw that you can always take with you. That's you never forget because it's always on your keychain. So I really thought this was a great idea, and I love to use straws. Like, straws will get me to drink anything, including water. So I was like, I'll always have my little straw here. My son can use it, and I never have that feeling like a paper straw, like it's crumbling, it's nasty, and I want to get rid of it and stuff like that. So I got that one. All right, guys, I get hot. I'm definitely, I did another video that I said I'm pretty much getting to that age where, yeah, I'm getting really hot, and I'm nearing 40. And at nights, like, hubby complains that he doesn't want the fan on, and I'm always hot, and he's, you know, it's just this back and forth of like, it's hot, it's cold. And I was like, you know what, I need a fan for myself. I need a fan that I can take with me anywhere, so that when I get those hot heat flashes right here and I'm just uncomfortable, I could always pull this guy out. It folds, and then you can put it on a table somewhere, maybe on your desk. And then it has a little area here where you can charge it with a USB. So pretty much this saves me from having to bother everybody with my fan on while everybody's trying to sleep. And I can just keep this next to me near the bed, and I feel cool. It's not too loud. That's the first setting, second, and third. So that's pretty good, it's not bad, it's not too loud. So yeah, this is small. My hands are pretty big, but it's small. Whoops, I gotta turn this on. And it fits into my purse. I can take it with me, especially during those summer months. Yeah. All right, the next thing is, you guys know I love Ipoo. I like poopery, I think they call it. Pretty much you spray this before you go. It keeps all the smells away so that you never feel insecure about going to a bathroom somewhere in public or somewhere where you're visiting somebody, because all the smells go away once you spray this. I just wanted a cheaper version of it, and I found it on Amazon, and this is called the Flushie. Oh, this is not even zooming. Okay, if you guys saw my Instagram post, for the first time I was trying to wear lipstick, and I didn't go neutral, I went bold. So this is the color that I tried. This is the NYX lip cream, and it's in the Monte Carlo. I love it. Like, you guys saw my last video, I was wearing it. It makes your lips pop. It's not too crazy, especially if you're dark skinned like me. It just really makes your lip pop, and it looks really nice and just crisp. Yeah, these next two things I would say go together. This is the eyebrow stencils, and then I have the eyebrow mascara by Rimmel, this guy right here. So the one I have was, I forgot the name, I think Almay. It works okay, but it was clumping up. This is even better. It's small, where it's easy to work with. And then what I like is the stencils just help you, they're little guides pretty much to help you do your, as you can see, a messy one right here that I've been using. Right here, left and right, they guide you so you could do like a fast eyebrow, because sometimes that's really annoying because you can't match both sides. So this is just a great way. So you just take them, let me see if I don't think you have a clean one here that I can use. So So there they are. So you put them on and do your thing with the mascara, and then you got eyebrows that match, you know, on both sides. So I've been needing that a lot because I just was I was really frustrated, guys, with like trying to do my eyebrows. Sorry, I have to look up and down because I have to get my stuff. So the next one was this guy. This is a teeth whitener. And this is how it looks right here. You take it out, you press it a few times, take it and brush it on your teeth. It's supposed to help with staining. The product is pretty much crap. It doesn't really work, so I'll never buy that again. But I wanted to whiten my teeth, but I would have to just do it some other way because that didn't work. This guy, I already did a review on it. Amazing. Love it. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. I'm almost like, I'm using this a lot, guys. I'm putting it on my chest, I'm putting it on my face, and it's just really awesome. I did a review on it if you guys want to check it out. All right. The next thing, now that I'm a mom and my purse is filled with everything in there, I wanted to add a packable jacket. So pretty much in here is my little jacket. So that, you know, those days when you are not dressed for the weather, and I don't know where it rains, it starts getting cold, and you're looking for a jacket, and then it's like you don't want to be having something bulky. This is pretty much what was in there. So as you can see, this is a packable jacket. It fits in there, it fits in my purse. So those random times where the weather changes on you, you could always just pull out a jacket out of nowhere. And then I got more of my favorite BB cream from Black & Radiance. The next thing I got was avocado oil. I love it. My niece had it. I put it on my skin. I really liked it. Decided to get it. I use it now religiously. I use it on my hair as well. It just sinks into the skin, doesn't break me out. Other oils do. This one doesn't. So I've used a lot of it. Like, wow. It's like, yeah, a lot. So yeah, avocado oil. Okay. The next product that I got, didn't work out for me, is the Shea Moisture leave-in cream. 100% coconut oil. It smells yummy. It does help with some sort of moisture, but it doesn't really. My son's hair I would consider like natural, and my hair is relaxed. I try to use it after, you know, deep conditioning my hair. It doesn't really do much for me, but I'm using it on my scalp regardless. Yeah, I wouldn't buy that again. Oh my God, every YouTuber talks about this. This is the hempz +pineapple honey melon lotion. This product is awesome. It sinks into the skin. It smells really sweet. It smells like a banana taffy or some kind of a Starburst candy, but it's not overpowering. And it's really thick when you take it out, but then it just goes on your skin, doesn't leave any like sticky residue and stuff like that. It just smooths out your skin, and you just, oh my God. Once I put it on, I was like touching my skin constantly. It's about like 10 bucks. And then for about 17 ounces. So that's not bad, but a lot of YouTubers were talking about it. I got on it because I love to smell sweet, but not sweet where it's just like you want to throw up. Not that kind of sweet. I recommend this lotion. A lot of people talked about it, and I'm glad that I did because I really, really like it. And then when the days that I want to go out like wearing shorts, I'll layer it. I'll layer it with oils just to give that sheen. All right, the last but not least product. This product is fantastic. It shouldn't be last, like it should have been first because I really love it that much. Evening Primrose Oil. I heard 2 YouTubers talking about it. The first one said it was nice for hormonal acne. Another person was having perimenopause and they recommended it. So I went on it, I took it the first day, and I took 2 of them at a time, and I regretted that. You should not do that. They recommend 2 to 3. Don't do that. Because I took it and I also didn't eat, and I started feeling so nauseous, and when I burped it smelled like fish because it's like fish oil also in here or something. It's supposed to help with your skin and balance your immune system and all that immune response. But this product really, really helps with PMS. It also helps with your skin. For over the years, you guys know I've had acne trouble. My acne is really hormonal pretty much, and this has helped me so much in the past month. I've been taking this like maybe once a week because I don't really need that much, and I've just noticed a difference in my skin. Like I just have a certain glow, and I noticed like the week before when I had my period last, I didn't have the mood swings and the craziness that I feel. Like usually 2 days before my period, my moods are really like up and down, and I start getting really like frustrated, irritated really easily. This time around, it felt like my period was a breeze because for the first time I didn't have those, like I was just on the edge, like ready to snap. Like this did something, and it's definitely doing something to my skin. So if you're somebody who's getting up there about to hit 40 something, I would recommend this. And if you are starting to, if you have hormonal acne, pretty much hormonal acne, they say they're usually in this area, which is what I have. I've noticed that it's helping that. So it's calming down to the point where I have time to put products that work to help. Because before it was just constant acne every month. So it's hard to really get rid of one when you keep getting them back to back. So with this, it's just kept everything calm. It's also helped me so much with my mood swings. I don't know how to say it, but I noticed a difference. So I would recommend you guys to check it out. This is the 250 soft gels. I think it was like 10 bucks, I think. So yeah, I would recommend it. Anyway, so that's pretty much all the products that I have. I'll leave the links if you guys want to get some of them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.